What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Tony Blake from Tony Blake Projects. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, guys, please hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so it would mean a lot to me if you hit that subscribe button. All right, so today y'all been watching videos of me clearing the land by hand, right? Well, I've done as much as I can by hand, so we had to call in the big dogs, y'all. We had to call in the big dogs. And so, oh my goodness, I feel like every time I'm feeling better, he pops up. Like, I left him in the house in the basement. I snuck out the house. Anyway, I feel like it was time. Did as much as we could, and we needed some heavy duty equipment. So instead of getting somebody and paying somebody to come out here and do it, y'all gonna see what we did, what we talking about. All right, y'all, so here she is, the newest addition to the family. I know, right? Y'all, it was needed. So let me stop. So yeah, so today I'm just gonna practice picking up and dropping the logs. That way I know how to dig the roots out. Ow. All right, y'all. I am calling it a day. That took a lot out of me. That little bit that you saw me do. So I have to learn how to drive it first and operate the bucket and all that stuff before I can start digging up anything. So
it really took it out of you.
I'm tired.
Sitting in a car.
And I've been getting bit. I sprayed sunscreen by mistake instead of bud spray. So I'm just drained, but I'm excited. So the hardest part, we got some help. So did a lot of research before deciding on that brand. I mean, we love John Deere, but there were just some things that Mahindra just came out on top. So it is like having another car note. So be prepared for that. But I was also thinking long term, there are a lot of things that can be done. Maybe it'll develop a side hustle. So yeah, super excited to actually get stuff moving. Yeah. What do you want to show the people? Who's excited?
Oh yeah, gotta move out the way for me to show them that.
You better not point it at me.
That's why I want you to move, so I can.
You as a safety on.
Oh yeah, the safety on.
Okay.
So they got me the BB gun that kind of looks like a shotgun, and I shot down 4 cans.
Yeah, he's doing good so far with this.
I want a smaller one though, with the scope, so I can just look in the center and shoot.
When you master that one, then
I mastered this one.
We'll talk.
All
right, y'all.
I knocked down the cans.
Right, so I want you to work on building up your speed and firing faster.
But this is a big gun.
All right. Anyway, y'all, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
Oh, subscribe.
They're watching but not subscribing. Hit that subscribe button. Trying to get to 1,000 before the end of the year. All right. If you have any questions about the equipment, I'm gonna drop the model and the year in the comments below. Shout out to the sales rep. He was awesome. So yeah.
What if they ask about where I got my gun?
Catch y'all in the next video.